Let's learn English together. Eat. E-A-T. Eat. I eat an ice cream. Eat. Drink. D-R-N-K. Drink. She drinks water. Drink. Drink. Sleep. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. The baby sleeps. Sleep. Go. G-O. Go. They go to school. Go. Go. Come. C-O-M-E. Come. They come from school. Come. Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. He walks to the park. Walk. Run. R-U-N. Run. He runs fast. Run. C-S-E-E. See. She sees a bird. See. Listen. L-I-S-T-E-N. Listen. They listen to the story. Listen. Talk. T-A-L-K. Talk. They are talking to each other. Talk. Say. S-A-Y. Say. She says hello. Say. Read. R-E-A-D. Read. They are reading books. Read. Write. W-R-I-T-E. Write. She writes her homework. Write. Sing. S-I-N-G. Sing. They sing a song. Sing. Dance. D-A-N-C. Dance. They dance to the music. Dance. Wake up. W-A-K-E-U-P. Wake up. I wake up in the morning. Wake up. Play. P-L-A-Y. Play. Let's play outside. Play. Jump. J-U-M-P. Jump. He jumps high. Jump. Brush. B-R-U-S-H. Brush. They brush their teeth. Brush. Draw. D-R-A-W. Draw. She is drawing. Draw. Smile. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. He smiles at me. Smile. Cry. C-R-Y. Cry. They cry. Cry. Open. O-P-E-N. Open. She opens the gift box. Open. Close. C-L-O-S-E. Close. He closes the door. Close. Celebrate. C-E-L-E-B-R-A-T-E. Celebrate. I celebrate my birthday. Celebrate.